In today's video, I am going to teach you how to format a date to month and year in Excel. If you have a list of full dates in your worksheet and you only want to show the month and year, Excel makes that very easy with a custom format. This is useful when you are creating reports, summaries, or dashboards, and you want your dates to look cleaner and easier to read. The good news is that this changes how the date appears on the sheet without changing the actual date value underneath. Start by highlighting the column or the specific cells that contain your dates. Make sure you only select the cells you want to format. If the entire column contains dates, selecting the whole column can save time. If only part of your sheet needs the change, just select that range instead. Next, open the Format Cells dialog box. On Windows, press Ctrl and 1 on your keyboard. On a Mac, press Command and 1. This shortcut takes you directly to the formatting options, which is much faster than searching through menus. Once the Format Cells window appears, look to the list of categories on the left-hand side. Scroll down if needed, then click Custom at the very bottom. This area lets you create your own display style for dates, numbers, and other values. Now click inside the Type box. Delete whatever is currently shown there and enter the date format you want to use. If you want the full month name and the 4-digit year, type M2 space YY. That will display a result like June 2026. If you prefer a shorter style with an abbreviated month and a 2-digit year, type M2. That will show something like June 26. If you want a numeric version, type MM/YY, which will display as 06/2026. Choose the format that best fits the look of your spreadsheet. The main difference is simply how the month and year are displayed, so you can pick the one that matches your report or personal preference. After that, click OK. Excel will immediately update the selected cells, so the dates appear in the month and year format you entered. If your dates do not change correctly, check that the cells actually contain real date values and not text. Formatting only works properly when Excel recognizes the entries as dates. That covers everything you need to know.